was your flight?
It was so good. Hi. Thank you. Oh my goodness. That might have been like the smoothest flight I've ever had.
Really? Was it fast?
Yeah. And it wasn't like too crowded at the airport.
Oh, good.
Yes.
I hate, you did the Hartsfield, Atlanta?
Yeah.
I hate that for the airport.
Yeah, it is overstimulating.
Yes.
I just made it to Jessica's house and she just literally like made the cutest care package for me. She got me face masks, like literally anything that I could think of is in here. So sweet. This, some tea, some sleep gummies, a cup. I feel so loved. But we are actually about to get ready to go to the gym right now. I didn't even like really start this video, but basically I'm gonna be filming my time here. But yeah, let me get ready for the gym. Actually, let me call my man. Well, honestly, I have like 4 black outfits. Yeah, like 4 like black different ones.
All black outfits.
I'm gonna do this black one.
All right, you ready for some tunes?
Yes,
I can turn the music up loud. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, that's
okay. Because what's that pre-workout again? Yeah. Hi, Vaughn! Are you okay with rock?
Yeah, you can play whatever you want.
Okay. I love people who don't judge.
Y'all, Jessica got me doing 120 on leg extensions. Yup.
Why? This mother heifer has been doing 60 pounds for God knows how long. She did not know how strong she was until I pushed her ass. I said, let's try 100. You know what this girl do? She lightly did it and couldn't even feel like she could move it and gave up. I said, She did the 100 pounds. I said, okay, let's do 120. And guess what? She did it. So next time y'all see Veda on Instagram, let's do 15 reps of 100. Report the video. And y'all too, y'all better get y'all asses in that gym. And I don't want to see y'all lifting 50, 60.
Yeah, what she said. What she said. Okay, we're done?
No,
Oh, I still have...
you got one more set. So now what are we feeling at on the last set? 5 to 8.
Okay, 5 to 8. I'm gonna fail at... Okay, let me not say that.
See?
We're staying at 125?
Yes. 125? Okay. You want me to add an extra 10?
No. Bro, y'all, I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. If I can't walk, it's Jessica's fault. Do you do like the one where you activate like your glutes? Where you put your feet like this?
No.
So you just do it straight back?
Regular.
Okay. I hate these. And I hate when I can feel it in my lower back. As someone who's always creating content, always looking for apps that make editing quick but still look good. Face app. surprised me. Face App is one of the world's most popular editing apps to enhance selfies with natural, subtle, and beautifully polished edits in just a few taps. I'm always taking pictures. I cannot stand when I have an annoying pimple or something on my face and the rest of the picture is cute. I just can't get rid of the pimple. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I just went to the Face App and I clicked on the picture that I want to enhance. This is just a cute little selfie I took leaving the gym. We're just gonna do a quick little touch up. I like to go to retouch. I just literally swipe over what I want gone, just like that. It's gone and it doesn't even look like I took anything off, and I'm not doing anything crazy because you still want it to look natural, you know? Okay, so I also really like the impressions feature. There's Kiss, Hollywood, Hollywood 2, Cute, so many different ones. So this one is my favorite one. I obviously like to keep it like really low because you don't want it to look too unrealistic. Natural's still cute now, but you know, like just if you want to do a little enhancement. They also have makeup area where like say you put on makeup and you can't really see it in the picture, you want to kind of like highlight it. Let's add some eyelashes. Boom. So natural. It's just very subtle and I like that. Like this chill little picture just turned to like, okay. Something I do love about the Face App too is that they don't promote unrealistic beauty standards, nor do they encourage unrealistic over editing. I love how the picture still looks like me. If you guys are interested in improving your picture, you guys can click the link in my description to download the Face App today and try a free pro version for 1 week. Or you can scan the QR code that's on the screen and it will take you directly to the app. A lot of things that the basic one doesn't have, I would definitely suggest using the pro. Thank you so much Face App for sponsoring today's video. Guys, we are playing Dress to Impress.
And I hope I get first place, bro.
Y'all, she's the only reason that I play this game. And now, I really love it. Like,
you know, it really be them people that put you on to, like, your addiction.
Yeah. It's crazy because I've heard about it once. My sisters would be like, yeah, I'm playing this. What?
Copyright.
Oh, yeah, copyright.
Bro.
I'm so glad you thought about that.
Are you okay with the lights off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Because my,
bro. Say swear. Y'all, I just got first place.
No, I just did. Guys,
Nice.
I'm blind. So, like, when it gets to a certain hour or whatever, like, this light, all I see is glares. And it's so bad.
So you just need, like, darkness.
Yes.
I like that too, though.
Just like in the sunlight.
At some point in the day, like, turn all the big lights on.
Yeah, like, let it be aesthetic, you know? You always get first. Like, I don't know. I just think they're racist.
But you used to get first place all the time.
No, I think you mastered it.
And then I got good, yeah.
Because I had a week where I had a few chunks of time where...
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Not welcome back, but it's the next day and it's actually 1:15. I've been up since like 10, but Jess has been asleep because she was up with Silas this morning, so you know, she was just getting her rest. I was editing, chilling. I just did my skincare and now I'm about to get ready because we're going to some stores just to, like, I don't know, like Sephora, like girly things, just to get out the house. I don't know if I told y'all, but like we really don't have anything like set and planned every day. The whole point of me coming out here was to just spend time with her and chill, nothing like dramatic. So y'all are just gonna see like random things. But yeah, I'm going to get dressed and I'm actually gonna wear these shorts and this little like top. I'm about to put it on now and then start doing my makeup. And then I actually slept pretty good. The bed was so comfortable, but yeah, I'm ready to get out the house. loved how these pants fit. I want them in every color. And also, I want this top in every color, but I didn't even end up getting the gray one. It's a little bright, y'all, but wait.
It's bright.
Because the sun. Okay, this is better. We're at this restaurant called Tap 42. And I just got a strawberry lemonade. We both got Caesar salads with grilled chicken. No.
Protein.
For protein. And then truffle fries. Here is just... that just spent $800 at Sephora. Like...
I think it was definitely these. I had to get two. If you have not bought in this scent from Cali, now I got the marshmallow one and the pistachio one. But this really good. This is the best perfume I've ever smelled in my whole fucking life.
See, you can do TikTok shop.
Get it now. Click the link. Glitter glow.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a little haul of what I got from the mall. From Sephora, I got this little Daily Rescue facial spray. From Tower 28, Jessica put me on. I got a little mini one to try. These mini Kayali sprays. I got the sparkling lychee, which smells so good, and the bougie marshmallow. From Garage, I got these really cute sweatpants. So cute on. This white top. And this black top, which I'm about to put on right now because we're about to go to the gym and do back. Because we're about to go to the gym and do back day. So yeah, let me put this on. Oh, one more thing. From whatever this place is called, I got this shower oil, which smells so good, and I can't wait to try it. This is my first time trying it, so yeah, I'm gonna change and get into my gym clothes, and then we're gonna go to the gym.
I'm gonna get a refill. Still got my money. Stress on another pole. Still got my money. Dance make your girl go down.
Okay guys, so it's 10:30. I took a shower, did my skincare. I need to put like a little pimple patch on, but I feel so good. I hope the clips are not like boring because I really haven't been doing much. Just chilling, honestly. I'm actually so tired. Hey guys, so it is probably 2 days later, and we're about to go to Delray Beach. I didn't film yesterday because we didn't do anything. We're about to go to Delray Beach. I've never been there, so we're just going to explore. We're going to the beach as well, so that's why I'm wearing a bikini. I also need to pack like clothes to come back in because I'm not trying to like be wet. But that's what's going on right now. I also need to charge my camera because it's on 50%.
What, he looked at you?
He's like, does my edges look bad?
No.
It does.
But it doesn't look bad though.
I'm not taking pictures. We decided to get permanent bracelets. We thought it was just such a cute way to represent our friendship. She got a gold one, I got a silver one because, you know, I love silver and she's a gold girly. It was so fun to get. I've actually never done this before. It's very much given we locked in for life because, yeah. So cute.
Take an aesthetic picture. Like this. This is good. I love when I can taste the coffee and the sweetness at the same time. Like I hate overly sweet. I take
It's alright.
it's good. Guys, look at our bracelets. They're matching permanent. Guys, my glasses keep falling down all the way. So cute.
Guys, I'm in Urban Outfitters and look at this top. She's so cute. This polka dot one is cute too. But this is one size. Oh my gosh. Bro, those are so cute. These black ones.
Lots of meat.
I cannot fit in.
Was it like I guess meat, more meat? I guess.
They don't have any smalls.
Yeah, and this one. I got one in there.
Guys, I'm trying on clothes, bro. I wanted to see how these type of pants would look on me, and I don't know. Maybe I would have to see it with like an actual like fit on, but as of right now, I'm not feeling it. But then again, I could see how it could be cute. You know what I mean? Like I see the potential that it has, but I don't know. So it is my last day here. I leave tomorrow morning. Today is actually the day that Alyssa comes. She's driving from Miami because she's there right now. And then we're gonna spend the day together, and then I will leave like really early tomorrow. I just got ready for the gym. I also feel like I haven't been talking to y'all. Like, I don't know, I just feel like, you know, not as much as I normally do. Just cause like, try not to like, you know, like be overly filming, you know, and talking. Like, I like to be present, especially on like trips. I like to be very present and just record what I can. But yeah, I got Dunkin' for breakfast. I pushed my hair back. This is like my third hairstyle here, but I pushed my hair back instead of having it like a side part. Yeah, that's really, I'm just waiting on Jessica right now. We were supposed to leave by like 10:45, but yeah. So yeah, all I have to do is put my shoes on. And I was filming like a little TikTok because I am trying to still be on my content grind. I posted a video while I was here. I have to post another one, but I'm gonna edit like on the plane or tomorrow or something. Like, I just can't deal with that right now. But yeah, whole outfit is from Gymshark. But yeah, my sunscreen makes my face look so white, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but it just has like this white cast on it from my sunscreen. Like, I don't know. I tried to put like a little bit of concealer on it, but it's not giving. Like I said, we've really just been, yesterday was like the only day we actually did stuff. Oh, and when we went to the mall. I'm excited to see Alyssa, and we were supposed to all go to the gym together, but Alyssa went out last night. Sorry. But anywho, I will see you guys when we leave. I'm gonna try and charge this camera before we leave. Okay, guys, it's a little bit later, and I'm here with Jessica and Alyssa. Yeah, Alyssa's finally here. Y'all can stop asking where she's at. Bro. She's right here in the back seat. We're going to Tap 42 to eat.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, I was like, I thought you were gonna say something else. You got anything to say, Liz?
I'm hungry and I can't wait to try the Caesar salad.
Yeah, she needs to wake up, so she's drinking an Alani. Yeah.
Off of a nap, basically.
Bro. But yeah, she got me driving, y'all. I have never driven a it's like a big
Like a SUV?
yeah, like an SUV. But
Well, you driving it today?
okay, bye. See y'all later. Guys, we have made it to Tap 42 kitchen. So excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Finna get the same thing that we had last time, which was Caesar salad. Yeah. My outfit. Thank you. Hi. It's just 3 of us. Guys, we have made it to the bowling alley. I am, of course, winning right now.
Oh my.
Yeah. You know, I gotta catch it before anything happens. Can you see if that's in the frame? Hold on. Okay. Strike? Bro, if I would have did it faster, it would have been a strike. All right, let's hope that these 2 pins knock down the 1. There go Alyssa. Now you gotta pick one. Why is it doing that? Wow, she got a spare. I won. I know my man at home proud. After this, we're gonna play the little arcade games, and then I guess we're gonna call it a night after that. But yeah, I'm basically winning every game because I just do this, you know? I ain't worried about nothing. I ain't worried not nada. Okay guys, I know the video was short, but that is gonna be the end of it. That was pretty much the highlights of my trip, video highlights of my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it even though it was short. I felt like I didn't really talk to y'all that much. I don't know, like I be feeling like I be needing to give y'all an explanation after everything, but like when you're on trips, you just film what you can, you know? But yeah, I had a great time. I loved spending time with my friends. I'm glad I got to capture it for y'all. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Also, shout out my man because he's the one that got me this trip. We love a supportive man that supports our friendships. So thank you, love you. Yeah.